Hola, en este vídeo vamos a ver la diferencia entre por y para en español. So the difficulty comes because both por and para translate as for in most cases in English. However, with this simple rule, we'll be able to distinguish them with no problem. So por also means because of in English. So we use it when we refer to the reason why. Whereas para can also be translated in English as in order to, and we use it when we refer to our purpose, our aim or goal, or even destination. So let's have a look at some examples. The first example says, I came here to talk to you. So we need to have a look at to. I came here because of talk to you or in order to talk to you. So obviously we would use para in this case. The translation is vine aquí para hablar contigo. Now you don't say con tú because tú is a subject pronoun. So tú eres inteligente. For example, tú is a subject on that sentence. In this case, vine aquí para hablar contigo. We need to use the pronoun in here. Thanks for the information. Thanks because of the information or thanks in order to the information. In this case, obviously, we use por. Gracias por la información. And let's have a look at our last example. I moved to England for work. Now, do I mean, bearing in mind that work in here is a noun, do I mean I moved to England because of work or I moved to England in order to work? In English, obviously, it's ambiguous, but we're talking about a noun. I moved to England, me mudé a Inglaterra por trabajo, the reason why, because of work. Now, what if I mean in order to work? Then obviously we would use me mudé a Inglaterra para trabajar. But obviously we mean something different. In order to find a job, in order to have a job. So para trabajar as a verb. So in here we mean I moved to England because of work, whereas I moved to England in order to work. To work. Trabajar.